Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah. So in last video we have seen in the item master type. So in last video we have covered that kit package items, how to create a kit package item, what is the use of kit package item. So in our today's video we are going to see confirm features, accounting preferences, and create a price level price group. So let's go. So in NetSuite, pricing, when we talk about pricing, in NetSuite, the item master service as a centralized repository of all information related to a specific product or the product type. So it includes details such as suppliers, materials, used unique unit inventory and profit margins. This comprehensive data is essential for effective inventory management and information decision making. Pricing in NetSuite allows businesses to set up various price level for item catering to different customer segments or sales channel. This flexibility enables companies to implement diverse pricing strategies such as offering discount to wholesale customer or setting a standard price for retail clients, confirm features and with accounting preferences. Before setting up prices, ensure that all the necessary features are enabled. First, let's say setup company enable feature for my item in the item subtype. We need to see that multiple pricing features must be enabled. After that, we'll directly create a price level. Let's see the definition. In NetSuite, a price level is a feature that allows business to assign a different pricing tiers to item, enabling flexible pricing strategy for various customer segments. By setting up multiple price level, companies can offer tailored price to different customer groups such as retail, wholesale clients, or apply specific discount like employer corporate rates. So there are some aspects like on the price level. So multiple price features need to be enabled. After that, net should support the creation of up to 1,000 distinct price level, providing the flexibility to manage diverse pricing strategy across various customer segments. So price label the different pricing tiers available for item to create a price level. So let's navigate to list accounting price level. Before that, let's see that confirm that navigation is that I'll let's log in with NetSuite, ER account, password. Let's set up company enable feature. Multi-currency accounting feature. So here we need to enable this checkbox multiple currencies under the company information like setup company information enable feature. Here under the company subtab we can see here this checkbox is available here international like multiple currencies currency exchange rate integration. This once we save, then we can create a price level. So for that, let to navigate accounting list. So here we can see select the price level. So yeah, this is our one price level we have created. So we can create up to thousand of price level based on our need or requirements. So markup discount pricing in the level in the sense, and the 5% discount will be applicable by default. So this is the way how we can create a price level. Let's edit and see. So we need to check this checkbox. So it will update to the existing price also, same price level. So this is the way how we can create a price level. Now, now base price and adjustment in the sense like each item has a base price and additional price level can be defined as a markup or discount percentage related to this base price. This structure simplifies the management of complex pricing module. Customer-specific pricing price level can be assigned directly to the customer, ensuring that the appropriate price is automatically applied during transaction, thereby reducing manual data entry and minimizing errors. Pricing group. Beyond the individual price level, NetSuite offer pricing groups that allow for the assignment of a specific price level to a group of items. This is particularly used for managing pricing across product categories or regions. Benefit of using price level enhance the flexibility. Businesses can implement varied price strategy to cater to different customer segment, promotional campaign, or regional markets. A streamlined operation in the sense automated application of price level during transaction reduce manual effort and the potential for pricing errors. Improved customer relationship offering tailored pricing can strengthen customer loyalty and satisfaction by meeting specific client needs. By effectively utilizing price level, business can optimize their pricing strategy, ensure competitiveness and profitability across diverse market and bases. Yeah, so this was the price level, how we can create a price level and how we can uh, use the price level. So after once we create the price level, so we can assign the price level to that item level. So whenever we'll create a transaction, then that price level will be applicable by default in the transaction. For example, we are creating a sales order, then we have assigned that. So how we can assign that price level? Let's see that. So once we'll assign that price level, 5% discount will applicable by default at the base price of that item. So let's go sale. Here we can see the net price level. So 5% discount will applicable on that base price. Base price in the sense like 16 rupees. So 20 rupees is the base price for Indian currency subsidiary. So 19 rupees will be now base price for that net price level custom price level because we by 5% discount will be deduct 5%. So once we'll save that price level, then suppose we are now going to use in the transaction, let's create a sales order to differentiate that price level. So once we'll select that item, what was that item? Gel pen. Okay. So let's say select a customer. We have a test customer. Just we created to track those transactions. Select the item gel pen. So base price is like 20 rupees. If we'll select that price level, NetSuite price level, so it will be 19 rupees. So 5% discount is will be applicable once we will select that our custom price level. So by default, it will calculate in the background, that is the NetSuite features. So we can just create a transactions. So this is that effect happening with that price level. It's we don't need to do anything. Just it will auto calculate once we will set up the price level on the item record, or directly here also we can select. If we are not, even we are not selecting, then also we can select here from on the transaction level, that price level. That is not mandatory to assign that sales item levels. So this is the way we can use a price level, and we can how to create a price level in NetSuite, and how to the use of price level. So I hope this was some helpful. So yeah, that's it for today. In this video, we have created a price level, how to use a price level, how to assign that price level to items, and how to use the price level on the sales transaction. Yeah, that's it for today. In the next video, we'll see that next, or how to create a price group, what is the use of price group, and where we can use a price group in the sales transaction. Yeah, today for today, that's it. I hope this video was some helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button, so you will be receiving the latest videos, tips and tutorials videos notification. And don't forget to add your comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.